Kakinhun Menteri Jong Sarkar Jelah ni kesngi kalashim karai banwan rano da service rules lani ki kendon trekam na kebenta ke Meghalaya Public Service Commission. Habakren bikila pathai khobor Hadien kejingelang jong kakinhun Menteri o Menteri rang ba ulai thu baki Mpsc Hadien Phew Snem kila la banwan ra ya katei ka service rules.
First was the agenda of the service rules of the Mpsc. As you're aware that the Mpsc has been functional for decades, but it did not have service rules for the employees out there, and hence today in the cabinet we have finally cleared the service rules of the Mpsc. At the same time, there was a very minor amendment that had to be made in the Meghalaya Medical Council Act of 1987. As you're aware that earlier there used to be what we call the the Medical Council of India, MCI, and in the Meghalaya Medical Council Act, the word MCI was still there, but as you're aware, the MCI has been changed and now it is the National Medical Commission, and that particular word had to be amended in the Act of the Meghalaya Medical Council Act, and that amendment has been today proposed through an ordinance, and that was cleared today by the cabinet. And then there were other issues that were there, which of course we could not clear because there were some discussions and more clarity was required, so those were deferred. So hence I will not be mentioning about those particular cases. So mainly these two subjects were discussed today. The first agenda was the clearing of the service rules of the Mpsc. Every department has service rules which determine the different things of aspects of promotion and the different posts and all the different procedures that are followed. Basic service rules which are there in every department. Mpsc was functioning without service rules for the last many decades. In fact, many departments have been functioning without service rules for many decades. In the last 5 years, in the first term of this government, and now in continuing, we have made extra effort to ensure that the Mpsc rules are, the service rules are there in place for all the departments, and in line with that particular objective, the Mpsc rules, finally the service rules have been notified today.